Thanks for choosing Bike Flights. Our #1 priority is moving your bike from door to destination quickly and safely.
At Bike Flights, we're cyclists serving cyclists, and we know how important your bike is to you.
Before you ship with us, let's review the Bike Flights Safe Packing Standard.
Following our packing standards will help keep your bike safe in transit. Just 3 simple principles: remove, protect, secure.
Remove your wheels, pedals, bottle cages, handlebars, and your seat post. Remove your disc brake rotors from each wheel. And remove your derailleur. Protect your frame. Wrap your entire frame with foam tubing. Protect your fork and rear triangle with spacers between your dropouts. And protect your wheels. Use hub guards and wheel bags. Secure your derailleur, chain, and crank arms with zip ties. Secure your handlebars and fork with zip ties. And secure your dropout spacers.
Place your small parts in a padded bag or box and secure it to the frame.
Bike Flights ships many types of bike boxes, bike bags, and bike cases. During shipping, your bike will likely be laid flat with other boxes put on top of it. Check that your bike is not moving around inside. Shake your boxer case. Yes, shake it. If you hear something rattling, open it up and adjust accordingly.
Wherever you're going, we want to make sure your bike gets there too.
To ensure timely delivery, print all 3 copies of your Bike Flights label. Place 1 copy inside your box or case and attach 2 to the outside. If you're shipping a case, attach your label using a tie tag and zip ties.
We work directly with our shipping partners and monitor your bike every step of the way. Almost there. You can also track your bike on your computer or your phone.
At Bike Flights, we're cyclists like you. Our support team cares about your bike and is here for you before, during, and after your shipment.
Thanks for calling Bike Flights. This is Cynthia. How can I help you today?
All right, your pickup location is updated and you're all set.
We ship all kinds of bikes. Yeah, even your tandems.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy the ride.
We started Bike Flights out of a need to adventure. This is why we do what we do.
We want you to enjoy your ride and for traveling with your bike to be easy. Please remember to review our packing guide, and thanks again for choosing Bike Flights.